Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. Please note this video is only for the 5G version because the 4G version works a bit different. So only watch this video if you're having the 12 Pro 5G version. Okay, let's start. Next to the phone, we will need the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And in the box you will find another little white box on top. And if you open this white box, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings a bit to release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool, enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray is able to insert two SIM cards, one on the top, and if you want, optional, a second one below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here in the middle. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You place it here, of course, at SIM 1. Press a bit, and it's well inserted. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner here. It belongs to the missing corner. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. And if you want, you can add also on the other side of the SIM tray a second SIM card. So same thing, also press it well here, so that's well inserted. And this is how it should look like then. Now also here, missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts, they are on top as well. Okay, and if you're ready with it, just insert the SIM tray back into the SIM slot. So SIM 1 is to the display side. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other interesting videos and so on, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.